Hello, my name is Aidan Bousquet. I am a recent graduate of South Louis Community College. I studied the CAPE program and pursued chemistry, physics, and pure mathematics. This fall, I will be attending the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, also known as MIT. And although I do not know what I'm going to study as yet, I am thinking of pursuing biological engineering. When I first got here, like in the first semester, I wasn't really like I'd say into the school, like talking to everybody, mingling with everyone. But after my first semester, in the second semester, I really got to like enjoy the atmosphere of the school as well as my studies. And then COVID hit, and it was a bit more challenging, like in some respects and easy in others. Like I was able to find a place in my house to be able to focus, which was a blessing for me. But it was also a bit tedious at times, like not mingling with friends. Some classes like I'd prefer to have had online, and some like I'd prefer to have in person. Um, but it was an interesting experience for sure, and I'm proud of how I was able to handle it. Well, to get to MIT, I think like I didn't really do anything specifically to get into MIT, but as far as extracurriculars went, I used to play tennis. I was able to be a top junior in that sport, and I was able to learn a lot from tennis, and I was able to portray that. I was able to travel to many different countries: Mexico, Guatemala, Dominican Republic, the Bahamas, because of tennis camps, because of like my level. And I was able to learn a lot and portray that in my application. So at the end of Form 5, I attended the student program for innovation in science and engineering in Barbados in 2019. It is a program for the top Caribbean STEM students from the ages of 16 to 18. And I learned so much over there. I studied subjects such as calculus, physics, programming, and biochemistry. And I was able to gain a lot of confidence in my abilities, as well as make many new friends and associates along the way. In fact, the people at Spice were some of those who helped me with my applications. Many of the things I learned at Spice, I was able to apply at SALCC, both from like what the concepts that I learned to the study tactics which I developed over there and how hard I could push myself. So my advice would be to look for many different opportunities, to delve into your interests, to learn a lot, to take lessons from that you can apply. And yeah, just stay disciplined, stay diligent. Um, Remind yourself of where you want to go, and seek help if need be. Well, the first goal was getting into a good school like MIT, so that goal is accomplished. But apart from that, I want to be able to help others in like a substantial fashion, but I also want to simply be happy, pursue other interests apart from my job, and let's see where that takes me. I think that SALCC has been an integral part of my journey. I learned a lot both from a scholastic perspective as well as from soft skills, like how to be disciplined, how to study, how hard to push myself, and how to be responsible. I believe like without the KIP program and without like doing those subjects, it would have been much harder for me to get into the schools that I got into, such as MIT, Stanford, Columbia, etc. And because of South Louis offering the KIP program, many St. Lucians have found themselves to high opportunities, and yep, I hope that SALCC continues to serve St. Lucians in this manner.